What to do if someone hacked your Cash App. Hey there, worried that someone might have hacked your Cash App? This week I'm here to guide you through exactly what to do if someone hacked your Cash App. Follow these essential steps to secure your account and protect your finances. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. First off, recognize the signs of a hacked Cash App account. First, it's crucial to recognize the signs that someone may have hacked your Cash App. This could include unexpected transactions you don't recognize, login attempts from unfamiliar devices, or even emails notifying you of password changes that you didn't initiate. If you see any of these red flags, it's likely that someone has gained unauthorized access to your account. Start by reviewing your recent transactions within the Cash App. Look closely for any purchases, transfers, or payments that you didn't authorize. Even small transactions can be a sign of hacking, as fraudsters sometimes test the waters with minor amounts before committing larger thefts. Cash App also sends notifications for any significant changes to your account, so keep an eye on emails and messages from Cash App for alerts about suspicious activity. Another sign to watch out for is if you suddenly lose access to your account. This can mean that a hacker has changed your password, effectively locking you out. The sooner you recognize these signs, the better your chances are of minimizing any damage. By acting quickly, you can take the necessary steps needed to secure your account and start the recovery process without delay. Next up, secure your Cash App account by changing your password. If you suspect that someone has hacked your Cash App, the first step is to change your password right away. Open the app, tap on the profile icon, and head to the Privacy and Security section. From there, you'll find an option to change password. It's crucial to choose a strong, unique password and one that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed passwords like birthdays, simple phrases, or common words. Using unique passwords for each of your accounts is also essential. If you've been using the same password across multiple platforms, take the time to update those passwords as well. Reusing passwords can make it easier for hackers to access other accounts if one of them is compromised. Consider using a password manager, which can securely store and generate strong passwords for you, reducing the chances of future breaches. In addition to updating your Cash App password, consider changing the password for the email account linked to your Cash App as well. This extra step helps secure any recovery or notification emails, which could be exploited by hackers. By acting quickly and changing both passwords, you can better protect your account and prevent further unauthorized access. Taking these steps right away is critical for minimizing the risk and regaining control over your Cash App. Next, enable two-factor authentication. To enhance your account security, enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a powerful step that can greatly reduce the risk of future hacks. Two-factor authentication provides an additional layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification before allowing access to your Cash App account. To enable 2FA, go to the Privacy and Security section within the app and follow the steps to set it up. Once activated, 2FA will prompt you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or generated by an authenticator app whenever there's a login attempt. This extra step means that even if a hacker manages to obtain your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the verification code. For even greater security, consider using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps link directly to your device, reducing the chances of interception compared to receiving codes via text messages, which can be vulnerable to SIM swapping or phishing attacks. Authenticator apps generate time-based codes that change frequently, adding another layer of security and making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to gain access. By enabling two-factor authentication, you're proactively securing your account and providing a substantial obstacle for anyone trying to hack into your Cash App. It's a simple yet highly effective way to safeguard your finances and maintain control over your account, giving you peace of mind that your funds are more secure. Next up, contact Cash App support and report the hack. Once you've taken steps to secure your account, it's time to contact Cash App support to report the hack. Acting quickly can be crucial for recovering any of your lost funds, so don't delay. Open the app, tap on the profile icon and navigate to Support. From there, select Something Else, followed by Account Settings, and then choose Report an Unauthorized Payment. This will guide you through the process of alerting Cash App to the unauthorized activity on your account. When reporting the hack, provide as much detail as possible about any suspicious transactions. Be ready to share transaction IDs, dates, amounts, and any other information that can help Cash App identify the unauthorized activity. If you've received strange emails, texts, or phone calls that appear to be from Cash App, include that information in your report as well. Fraudsters often use phishing tactics to gain access to your account, so reporting these incidents can help Cash App improve their security measures. Contacting support promptly is essential, as Cash App's support team will need to investigate the situation. While they look into the issue, be prepared to wait. Sometimes these investigations can take a bit of time. The support team may ask for additional information to verify your claim. If they confirm the hack, they may issue a refund or offer further assistance in securing your account. Remember, the faster you report the incident, the more likely it is that you'll hear a favourable outcome and potentially recover any lost funds. Next up, monitor your bank account and linked cards. After you've reported the hack to Cash App, it's important to closely monitor any bank accounts or cards linked to your Cash App account. Start by reviewing your recent bank statements and transaction history for any unusual or unauthorized transactions. If you spot any transactions that you didn't make, contact your bank or card issuer immediately to report the fraud. Promptly notifying your bank can help prevent further unauthorized access and may even aid in recovering lost funds. Many banks have protocols for dealing with fraudulent activity, which may include freezing your account temporarily or issuing a new card to prevent additional breaches. It's a good idea to unlink your current bank accounts and cards from Cash App after an incident like this. Consider replacing them with new accounts or cards to ensure your financial information stays secure. Keeping an eye on your bank accounts should become a regular habit even after the immediate issue is resolved. Many banks offer transaction alerts, which notify you by text or email whenever there's activity on your account. Setting up these alerts can help you detect any suspicious activity early on, allowing you to respond quickly. By consistently monitoring your accounts, you'll be better prepared to catch and address potential issues before they escalate, giving you peace of mind about your financial security moving forward. Next, scan for malware and strengthen device security. If someone has hacked your Cash App, it's possible they gained access to your device through malware or a security vulnerability. To protect yourself, start by running a comprehensive virus and malware scan on all devices that you use to access Cash App, including your phone, tablet, and computer. Malware can infiltrate your device through malicious links, apps, or downloads, so catching it early is essential. Use reputable antivirus software like Norton, McAfee, or Avast to scan for and remove any malware. Ensure that your antivirus software is up to date, as cyber threats evolve constantly. Regular updates help the software identify and tackle new forms of malware. Additionally, go through your device's files and apps, deleting any you don't recognize or no longer use. These could be potentially hiding malicious software that may put your information at risk. Beyond running scans, take steps to strengthen your device's overall security. Enable screen locks such as passwords, PINs, or biometric options like fingerprint recognition. Regularly update your device's operating system, as updates often include security patches that protect against vulnerabilities. Lastly, avoid using unsecured Wi-Fi networks, especially when accessing financial accounts, as these networks can be prime targets for hackers. Consider using a virtual private network or VPN for added protection when accessing sensitive information. By thoroughly scanning your devices and reinforcing their security, you'll reduce the chances of hackers exploiting weaknesses in the future. These proactive measures can help you maintain control over your accounts and safeguard your personal data against unauthorized access. Next, avoid future hacks by practicing safe online habits. Finally, prevention is key to protecting your Cash App and other online accounts, so start by being mindful of phishing scams, which often come in the form of emails or text messages asking you to click on a link or provide personal information. If you receive a suspicious message, don't click any links or download attachments. Instead, go directly to the Cash App website or app. to check for any notifications. Scammers often impersonate Cash App, so be cautious and double check any communication before responding. It's also helpful to regularly update your passwords and avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive information. Public Wi-Fi can be easily intercepted by hackers, and using a VPN when connecting to the internet can provide additional security, especially on public networks. By cultivating safe online habits, you'll be well prepared to prevent potential attacks and keep your accounts secure. Remember, staying vigilant and proactive is the best way to protect your information and avoid the stress of dealing with a hacked account. And there you have it. Now you know exactly what to do if someone hacked your Cash App. By following these steps, you can secure your account, protect your finances, and prevent future hacks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Stay safe out there. And also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5.